This is the dramatic moment when hydrogen filled balloons burst into flames, engulfing three people inside of a lift. Wow. Within seconds, the balloons explode. That's some crazy shit right there. So it says the gas from the balloons is believed to have leaked, mixing with the air from the lift, and it formed a highly combustible fuel air cloud. Crazy shit, man. This is what science will do. So lifts contain potential ignition sources such as static electricity, electrical contacts, or friction from the